welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to test and review Azure Beauty Dip easy to use deep powder tartar kit, and as you see it's non-yellowing, no LED UV lamp needed, and it's odorless, and this is so perfect. Now I'm gonna open it and show you what's inside. It's a huge box, and as you see we have everything, almost everything we need to do like deep powder nails. And here we have this instruction paper. It's so pretty, so glossy and pink. I love pink so much. And here we have this easy guide with the pictures and the step-by-step guide, and you can do powder nails easily with this guide. And this is the whole kit, and the first color we have is this pink shade. It's You're So Sweet, and it's a very nice soft pink shade. And the second one we have this gorgeous red shade, Be Your Queen, and this is probably my favorite. It's so glittery, it's like silver glittery shade, and it's called Hey Glitters. And the last, of course, we have this clear shade powder as well. Then we have the bond, we have the base, we also have the activator, we have the top coat, and we also have the brush saver. Here we have the Azure Beauty nail buffer, and we have this nail file, and I love the quality because it's not as soft as many other nail files, and I think it will work really well. And we have this cuticle oil, and I am so happy because not every nail kit contains the cuticle oil, and this is so helpful, and I'm so happy because of that. Then we have this manicure stick to push the cuticles, and the last one we have this brush to like wipe away the excess powder from the fingers, and I love the quality of the brush. I think it will work really well. So here is everything what I have after unboxing this huge kit, and now let's do the nails. First I'm gonna push my cuticles back with this manicure stick. Then I'm gonna file my nails with the nail file, and I really love this nail file. I love the quality, it's so strong and it does its job really well. Then I'm gonna buff my nails with the buffer to like make my nails smooth before applying the nail tips and the powder. So because I love long nails, I'm gonna apply my nail tips on my natural nails before dipping them into powder. Now I'm gonna cut them to the size I want and just give them a shape. And as I said, this nail file works really well on the artificial nails as well, because it's filing and it's like helping me to give my nails a shape I want. So here are my nails after cutting and shaping and filing, and now I'm gonna apply this bond on all over my nails. So now I'm gonna apply this base and just start dipping. So first I'm gonna start with this clear powder, and I'm so happy that these jars are so big. It's 1 ounce, and I can like dip my finger directly in the jar. So I will just dab with the brush and to remove like powder from my finger and just continue dipping.
Well, I love this base because it has this thick fluffy brush, and it's like easier to apply the base on the nails, and it like covers the whole nail really well. So I'm just gonna wipe away the excess powder from my fingers and my nails. And this is how my nails look after applying the first coat of the clear powder on my nails. I'm just gonna open this pretty pink powder jar and just continue dipping in this beautiful pink color. So now I'm just doing the second coat of this pink color, and on my ring finger I'm just gonna go with this glitter powder and just dip into these glitters. And oh my god, look, it's so pretty, so glittery, and I love how these glitters look on my pink nails. I really love this combo. And just continue dipping in the pink powder. And on my thumb I'm gonna do the same, and I will just dip in the glitter powder. I just want thumb and ring finger to be like different from other fingers. And then I just do the same on my another hand. And then I'm just gonna repeat these steps and do the second coat of the color powder and the glitter powder, but I'm gonna do it off camera because I don't want my video to be too much long. And for the last coat I'm gonna be using this clear powder again. It like protects the color and the glitters from fading and from losing when I file the nails. Now I'm just gonna take this activator and apply it on all of my nails to like harden the dip powder on the nails. And when the activator like dries up, I'm just gonna go and start filing. Well, this is how my nails look after shaping and filing. And yeah, I know I'm not a pro, but I think it's not bad and it like needs practice. Now I'm just gonna take this activator again and apply the second coat of the activator on all of my nails. Well, I really love these glittery fingers. I love the design that I made from this glitter powder, and I'm so happy for it. Now I'm just gonna take this top coat and apply it on all of my nails. And as you see, the top coat gives the nails glossy, pretty look, and you see the glitters are so sparkly on my nails. Well, I really fell in love with these glitters.
Oh, and as you see, the brush of the top coat is like hardened. I think it's because of the powder. I was not swiping it on the paper towel. I just forgot to do that. So I just have this brush saver here, and I can just continue using this brush saver brush to apply the top coat on the rest of my nails. And now I'm just gonna take this cuticle oil and apply it on all of my cuticle area and just rub it up. The only color that I did not use in this video is this gorgeous red, but I'll definitely try this later because this is so beautiful. So this is the final look of my nails. I just added some rings on my fingers as decorations. So I'm really in love with my nails, and thank you so much Azure Beauty for sending me this amazing kit. And if you want to get this kit, you can get it online from Amazon, and I'll leave link down below in the description box. And you can also use my code that's on the screen for 15% discount. I think this kit is very useful and very good for the beginner and also everyone who wants to do salon quality nails at home. And why spending so much money in the nail salon when it's like $35 to $40 to do dip powder nails, when you can get your own dip powder nail kit from the Amazon for only $49 or even less if you use my code, and you can do your own nails for several times because believe me, there are a lot of powder in the jars and it will last for so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you liked and found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.